Hi guys, welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about 13 must know hernia repair post-OP care checklist points for NMC CBT revision. If you're preparing for the NMC CBT, remember this simple sequence. Observe, assess, manage, prevent, educate and document. After hernia repair surgery, nurses should monitor vital signs, assess pain regularly, check the wound for bleeding or infection, and ensure effective pain management. Encourage deep breathing exercises, early mobilization, and monitor urine output, bowel function, hydration, and nutrition. Now, the patient education is equally important. Teach wound care, activity restrictions, constipation prevention, and the warning signs that require urgent medical attention. Finally, always document assessments, interventions, patient responses, and any escalation concerns. For CBT questions, think safety first. Assess, act, review, and document. Mastering these 13 checklist points will help you answer surgical nursing questions with greater confidence and improve your clinical decision making skills. Also, we have published a detailed blog on this topic. Do check out description for the blog link. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more CBT tips and guidance. See you in the next video. Bye bye.